How do I block notifications from a specific app on my Android device?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about how to block notifications from a specific app on your Android device. If you're being bombarded with too many notifications, this guide will help you take control of your device's notification settings.
Why would I want to block notifications from an app?
Blocking notifications from a specific app can be beneficial in many ways. For instance, it can prevent distractions. Notifications can sometimes interrupt your work or leisure time. By blocking them, you can focus on your tasks without interruptions. Conserve battery life. Each notification uses a bit of your device's power. By limiting unnecessary notifications, you could potentially extend your battery life. Declutter your notification panel. If you have too many notifications, it can be hard to find the important ones. Blocking unnecessary notifications can help clear up your notification panel.
How can I block notifications from a specific app?
Here are the steps to block notifications from a specific app. 1. Open your device's Settings app. This is typically found in your app drawer or on your home screen. 2. Tap on Apps or Applications. This will open a list of all the apps installed on your device. 3. Select the app from which you want to block notifications. If you can't find the app, there might be a search option at the top of the screen. 4. Tap Notifications. This will open the app's notification settings. 5. Toggle off Show Notifications. By doing this, you will block all notifications from the app. If you want to block specific types of notifications but not others, you can typically customize these options here. Remember, the exact wording and organization of these settings may vary depending on your Android version and device manufacturer. And that's it. You now know how to block notifications from a specific app on your Android device. This simple yet powerful tool can help you manage distractions, conserve battery life, and declutter your notification panel. We hope this guide was helpful, and that you're now feeling more in control of your device's notifications. Until next time.